There are likely thousands of names for the purslane plant in various languages from many of the human cultures that have eaten the plant as a nutritious herb throughout history. Its origins are unknown and have been reported to be native to Western Asia. However, others cite Europe as its native home, but consider North Africa to be most likely due to its succulent habit, which suggests that it is a desert plant. It has become naturalized all over the world and can be found in many gardens, orchards, and nurseries as a weed. Purslane can be a good companion plant as a ground cover to other crops like corn, grains, and wildflowers. Purslane also has a cooling effect on soil temperatures, which can benefit many cool season vegetables like cabbage, lettuce, beets, turnips, radishes, and carrots. Clustered and succulent, purslane is a clover-like herb that bears small, wedge-shaped, oblong, and dark green leaves on its reddish-tinted, smooth, and juicy stems. Flavorful and crunchy, the entire plant can be used, the stems being the most succulent. Raw stems offer a mild, slightly sour, tangy flavor. Native Americans used to use purslane as a pot herb and for medicinal purposes, but eventually other plants like kale, lettuce, and spinach displaced it due most likely to flavor and nutrient content. There are high contents of alpha-linolenic acid present in purslane, as well as omega-3 fatty acids. It is also used to lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels.